I don't know.
I think it might be a walleye.
Something big, that's for sure.
Maybe a wavy.
I got salad anyway. What? Did you tighten up the drag?
Yeah. Going out.
Yeah, because your drag isn't tight. You gotta tighten the drag up, remember? Okay.
What do you think?
Keep it tight. Keep the line tight. Jeez.
He big boy. He definitely big boy.
You got the net up there.
Here,
Okay, keep fighting. See what it is. Okay. Keep that line tight.
I am.
Might be a big catfish. Heck, who knows? I don't see it shaking its head.
Yes.
I don't see it shaking it.
Why? It's fighting.
Yeah, that's what they do.
Can you see it?
Nope, not yet.
I can't either. No.
Whoa. Okay.
He definitely big boy.
Yeah. Whoa. Might be a big carp. Who knows?
Carp?
Who knows?
I don't want a carp.
Might be foul hook carp, as hard as that's fighting. Whoa, that's a big old catfish, I think.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a big catfish. That's a flathead.
What the?
That's a flathead catfish.
Huh?
That's a big flathead catfish. Okay,
I'm trying.
you see all the slime on the line?
Yes. That's why he was fighting so hard. Wow.
Ah, come on.
Wow.
Ah, shoot. He just broke the line.
Oh.
Oh, there goes that.